Hey everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA on Choice Tax Relief. We help folks who owe the IRS or their state a lot of money in back taxes. Something else we do is we help folks who have not filed their taxes in several years get back into filing compliance discreetly. Get back into filing compliance. And that's what today's question is about. It's from old Spanky here. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but long story short, Spanky is a hairstylist and has gotten behind on 4 years worth of tax returns. And you know, we actually do work with a lot of hairstylists, believe it or not. I don't know, there's certain industries where it seems that maybe because of how busy they are or the nature of their work, they tend to get behind on taxes more than others. For example, we don't work with very many accountants who get behind their taxes, but hairstylists, truck drivers, certain industries. Anyway, I'm not going to read the whole question. Long story short, Spanky is doing hair, running her business, didn't file taxes though. Got behind, even got their business bank account closed and shut down, and now they want to get back on track. And folks, I know there are hundreds of thousands of, maybe even millions of business owners who feel just like this right now. They feel like their life's off track. The fact that they haven't filed their taxes is kind of a cherry on top, or might be, you know, crushing them with paralyzing fear. But the thing you got to know is that this problem is fixable. Okay? And yes, it is fixable even if you haven't kept track of your expenses very well. And even if that business bank account is now shut down and you can't even access the statements. Yes, it's true. We can reconstruct those expenses for your business. Now, this person's thinking about going to H&R Block. I have some thoughts about H&R Block that I'm not going to share publicly. I actually have an employee who used to work there. Doesn't anymore. But they're not going to reconstruct your expenses for you. They're basically just going to take what you give them and type those numbers into the tax software, and that's it. That's all they're going to be doing for you. So I would say, Spanky, what you probably want to work with in the absence of a solid set of books and records for your business, and possibly the inability to even put together those books and records because your business bank account is shut down, work with a reputable CPA, EA, tax attorney, and their staff, like the folks we have here at Choice Tax Relief. We know how to approach these situations. We have actually a proprietary methodology to deal with these situations where folks have gotten behind on their 1099 tax return filings. You know, they're a 1099 independent contractor or business owner, and they don't have a good set of books, and they don't have the ability to even prepare their books at this point due to loss of records. So what you should do, Spanky, is you should actually give us a call to schedule a free consultation. 866-8000-TAX, that's 866-8000-829. Or you can go to choicetaxrelief.com, fill out the form on the website, and we will reach out to you. Now, if you're more the DIY type, I do have some videos on the side of the screen about what to do if you've gotten behind on filing your tax returns. This information applies if you're 1099, W-2, or even if you're retired. So I encourage you to watch those videos to get your life back on track and avoid as much interest and penalties as possible. Thank you so much for watching this video, everybody, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.